Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have another DIY project here on the trailer. We're going to be working on the tire carrier here on the back. It's going to be a swing away tire carrier. We've already started on this when we was building the trailer. We've already got the spindle here installed, so we're just going to be adding to that and making the frame and the structure here. So let's get at it. All right guys, we're going to start with we're going to be using the same 2-inch tubing that we used on the trailer. So what I'm thinking is we're just going to attach here to the spindle, and we're going to run all the way over here to the far side with straight across the bottom. Then we're going to put some kind of a little angle here. It's going to come up, then maybe a cross brace in the middle, then maybe a short piece coming out with the flange where the tire will actually bolt to. So it has to go over here far enough on this side where it rests. It has to be out of the way of this door. Right now the door will only go up to the jack here, so if we get anywhere behind that jack area, we should be good. And that'll just be kind of the resting point for it when it's at home. I'll explain a little bit more as we go. Let's get a measurement on this bottom piece here and get it cut and get it prepped to get on to there. Alright guys, now we just got to get this where this our spindle will fit. So I'm just going to kind of stick it up here, use that as a pattern, and I'm going to mark it.
Finally.
All right guys, we're going to cut a piece for the angle piece here that goes up. It's going to hold the tire. We're going to cut a piece 64 inches, and we're going to cut an angle out of the middle of that. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and cut these angles where it fits the bottom piece. Alright guys, let's go ahead and put this thing on. Got the bearings back together here. Alright. Next, guys, we're gonna go ahead and cut this off. Cut this end off and fold that over and make a cap out of the same piece. Then we just got to make a place for it to rest to over here on the trailer. That'll kind of support it so it's just not hanging there. That'll give us a spot to also lock it down on. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get this little block here welded in on the trailer. This is the rest for the arm. We're just going to go ahead and weld it on real good. And alright guys, here's what we came up with for the latch system on the tailgate here. So we're going to be welding this plate on the back side of that tubing we just welded. I've already got a hole drilled in it that fits for this pin. What we're going to do is it's going to pin through. I'm going to weld that. I'm going to cut this pin off, weld it on here, and we're going to try to get it as close as possible to be tight on that tubing. And so what the idea is that we'll drill a hole through this tubing, so when we shut it, it'll go, that pin will go through and we can just pin it. And that'll keep it shut. So I just got to get a measurement on the pin, what length I need here, and cut the pin off, and we're going to weld it on the back side of that. So we'll do that now. Let's cut that off. Just need to get that somewhat in the center of their tube, like that. Now we can weld that guy on. Let's see right there. You can drill a hole. Tight.
Yeah, it is. It's real tight.
Let me say 5 inches. It's 4 and 1 3/4. I'll go off to 5 inches plus the thickness of the plate. So 5 inches.
Okay.
Alright guys, this right here is about the where we want our center of our wheel to be. So I'm just going to see if I can get this thing clamped up here.
You need help? You need an extra hand?
Yeah, I'm good. I think I got it. Now that'll give us something to mount to. And I got some bolts. Got some bolts here. So we just need to mark. I think I got 4. Top 2 here, and I guess the 2 on the bottom. Alright, let's drill some holes. Get her. Bolt these on. Guys, got them bolted on here, and you can go ahead and cut the excess off. Can't really see what I'm doing. Alright guys, I got some gussets cut. We're going to weld on the inside on these. Just kind of give this some strength in here. I'm going to put 4 around on each side. Hey guys, that's going to be a wrap for this week's show. Hope you enjoyed it. It's going to be a great addition to tag along here. We needed a way to carry her spare, so now we'll have spare in the in Lucille, and we'll have one on tag along. So that'll be a great addition. If you liked the video and it helped you in any way, please hit the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along with some of our upcoming adventures. So guys, have a blessed week, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.